YouTube is the largest, most popular video hosting platform, and the second largest search engine in the world. About 5 billion videos are watched on YouTube every single day, with almost 30 million visitors per day. One of the reasons why YouTube is so popular is the options it provides to monetize your content. Creating a YouTube channel is a good way to earn money, and many are making huge fortunes from it. Now, if you are thinking about making a YouTube channel, but don't have the patience, time, or convenience to create original content, there is still a way to earn from YouTube. Creative Commons. Creative Commons videos are those videos in YouTube which you can upload in your channel without worrying about copyright strikes. But you have to pick the right videos, or you might end up uploading the wrong content. Here is how you do it. Go to YouTube, type any topic you want. I'm going health. Now, you have a list of videos suggested by YouTube algorithm. Go to Filters and select Creative Commons. Now, your search result has been filtered with Creative Commons videos only. You can choose any video that you like, go to its description, and check out the license policy. You see, it's written, labeled for reuse. You can use these videos in your channel, and it will not have any copyright issues. Thus, you can give yourself a chance to earn from YouTube without creating actual content. Thanks for watching.